Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integral. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to wrap the region in here. The graph of x squared minus ax should be like this. Now, they want to know that the area limited by x-axis. Here is about x-axis in here. This one is about x-axis. This one is about the curve. So the area we need to concentrate that's about this one. Now we need to find the intersection in here. To do about this one, we put about x squared minus ax equals to number 0 because this is about y equals to number 0. That's why you have number 0 in here. So we find the solution of this one and we have s equals to number 0 and s equals to number 8. So this one is about 8. Now we can put double integrals. So I will go about dy. We can see that this is about y equals to number 0. This is about y equals to x squared minus ax. So this is about upper. This one is about lower. So about dy, they should be from x squared minus ax to number 0 in here. Because upper they will go on the top, lower they will go in here. And we have the s. The s that is from 0 to number 8. And now we need to find the value of this one. The integration of y. We will have about y squared over 2. And we put the bounds from x squared minus ax to number 0 in here. So we put number 0 going here and this one going here. Now we need to simplify. And this one we have 0. I will put negative going here. Number 2 I will put outside in here. Now we just have only s multiplied by x squared minus ax to the power of 2. So this one multiplied by x squared and ax. So we have s to the power of 3 minus, we need to expand this one. So we have s to the power of 4 minus 16s to the power of 3 plus 64s squared ds. And then we have the final answer. This one we have s to the power of 6 over 6 minus 16s to the power of 5 over 5. This one we have 64s to the power of 4 over 4. And we put the power from 0 to number 8. And now we put number 8 going here. Number 0 going here. And we have the final answer. That is about negative 32,768 over 15. That is the end. Thank you for watching.